You have been on the phone all night long. It's your mother's birthday.
Dad, I'm talking to my girlfriend. She's in another country.
What? It isn't that expensive? What about those long distance charges?
We get flat rates to 12 countries.
Really? Give that to me. Excuse me. Mommy!
Ideal Mobile. Prepaid speed of light plans. Bring your own device. www.idealmobile.com